In an age where beauty is increasingly measured by authenticity, sustainability, and warmth, the presence of wood in modern interiors has taken on a profound significance. Yet, beyond grand custom cabinetry or high-end hardwood flooring, a quiet revolution is happening through budget-friendly decorative wooden pieces. These humble accents are reshaping the landscape of interior design by proving that you don't need a large budget to make a meaningful aesthetic impact. Instead, with creativity and intention, even small, affordable wooden pieces can breathe life, character, and harmony into today's living spaces. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of budget-friendly decorative wooden pieces for modern interior decor trends. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The appeal of wooden decor has never been purely visual. There's something deeply emotional about bringing wood into the home, an organic texture that echoes nature, a tactile quality that invites touch, and a warm tone that fosters calm and comfort. These qualities make wooden decorative items highly desirable, not only for their look, but also for the way they make people feel. In an increasingly digital and fast-paced world, wood offers grounding. It reminds us of forests, of craft, of permanence. And when this timeless material is shaped into affordable home accents, picture frames, wall hooks, small shelves, trays, or carved art, it becomes accessible to all, not just to those with high-end design budgets. Modern interior design trends now lean toward the minimalist, the meaningful, and the sustainable. The popularity of Scandinavian and Japandi styles, both of which emphasize clean lines, neutral palettes, and organic materials, has led to a resurgence of interest in wood as both structure and decoration. Wooden pieces don't have to be massive to make an impression. A small teak tray on a coffee table, a pine wall sconce, or a simple oak plant stand can act as focal points in rooms designed with restraint. These pieces speak softly, but their influence lingers. Budget-friendly wooden decor is also winning hearts due to its versatility. In a world that prizes personalization, such pieces can be rustic, modern, vintage-inspired, or abstract. They can fit into boho lofts or minimalist condos, and their adaptability allows homeowners to create a curated space that feels intentional without being expensive. Unlike trend-based materials, such as acrylic or neon plastics, that may look outdated within a few years, wood carries a classic aesthetic. Even in its most playful or modern iterations, it never feels out of place. It simply evolves with the home. Another undeniable draw of affordable wooden pieces is their sustainability and ethical appeal. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, they gravitate toward decor that doesn't harm the planet. Many budget-friendly wooden pieces are made from reclaimed wood, factory offcuts, or fast-growing sustainable sources like bamboo. They represent a shift from the disposable mindset, offering decor that's both responsible and enduring. In many ways, they're a quiet protest against the fast furniture culture that dominates so much of the industry. For the average homeowner or renter, wooden decorative items offer a way to create beauty without overspending. Not everyone can afford to redesign their entire living space, but most can buy or craft a small wooden mirror frame, a wall-mounted shelf, or a candle holder. These simple additions have the power to elevate even the most basic of rooms. They provide visual texture, functional storage, and a sense of cohesion that ties disparate elements together. It's proof that great design isn't always about spending more, it's about choosing well. From a more emotional angle, incorporating wooden pieces into a home introduces a sense of narrative and connection. Whether purchased from a local artisan or handmade as a DIY project, these pieces often come with stories about their maker, their materials, or their function. A reclaimed wood photo frame isn't just an accessory, it becomes a memory holder. A handmade key rack carved from scrap, wood is not just storage, it's a quiet testimony to resourcefulness and care. These stories, layered within the aesthetics, make a space feel lived in and loved. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the most exciting aspects of this movement is its accessibility for creators. Woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts can now reach a wide audience with small-scale, low-cost projects. Craft fairs, Etsy shops, and social media platforms have opened the floodgates for handmade decor to be appreciated and sold without the need for massive investment. Budget-friendly wooden decor is not only decorating homes, it's building livelihoods. These pieces have become an entry point for thousands of craftspeople to turn passion into income, especially as more consumers seek alternatives to mass production. In modern homes where open-concept living is prevalent, decorative cohesion becomes key. Budget-friendly wooden accents serve as unifying elements across different areas. A walnut kitchen utensil holder can echo the wooden frame of a mirror in the hallway or the beechwood bookends on a shelf. These subtle ties help to craft a sense of continuity without overwhelming the senses. They create warmth, invite conversation, and make each corner of the house feel thoughtfully composed. What truly sets wooden decor apart from other materials is its ability to improve with age. Many budget items, especially those made from plastic or synthetic composites, show wear and tear quickly. But wood patinas deepens in tone and reveals more of its grain over time. It evolves with the home, gaining character rather than losing quality. This makes even inexpensive wooden pieces a worthwhile investment, both aesthetically and functionally. There's also a psychological benefit to decorating with natural materials. Studies have shown that incorporating wood into home interiors can reduce stress and increase well-being. It creates a subconscious link to nature, which calms the mind and enhances emotional comfort. In spaces where we seek relaxation, living rooms, bedrooms, even work-from-home nooks, wooden decor provides a subtle but impactful emotional lift. In a time when people are rethinking what it means to feel at home, these small decorative items, hand-carved hooks, wooden shelf brackets, rustic trays, become anchors. They symbolize a return to simplicity, to value, and to craft. They suggest that luxury isn't about price tags, but about pieces that feel right, that age beautifully, and that contribute to a space that tells a story. As trends come and go, the impact of budget-friendly wooden decorative pieces remains steady and sincere. They represent more than design. They represent a movement, a shift toward authenticity, a desire for connection, a belief that what we bring into our homes should serve a purpose, spark joy, and reflect who we are. Wood, in all its natural beauty and quiet strength, answers that call effortlessly. And whether it's found in a $10 handmade trinket or a small upcycled shelf, it brings with it something priceless, a sense of home. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked budget-friendly decorative wooden pieces for modern interior decor trends. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.